So you're not going to reveal the car to me? No.
Not yet, no.
Badging? No.
Not yet, no.
Okay, so we've got rear parking sensors, but oddly enough we've only got 2 of them. I don't know whether they'd put another, because normally we have 1 at each corner. Quite a nice shape, a nice key line design through here. Nice repeaters built into the side mirrors, which is becoming the standard. Yeah, really nice front end on it. Some LED lights. I presume they're daylight driving lights, which is good, with projector lamps. That's quite high tech. Decent looking wheels. Again, the car's definitely got character. Even the rear end lighting, there's a slight boot lip there, adds to the sportiness of the vehicle.